Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Menteri Katanat Social Welfare uba polling do haringkat ke Chairperson ke Meghalaya State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ke Agatha ki sangma ke Director jong ke Social Welfare bat kiwe kilawan ban sak hilang bat Pdiang ki arpu arngut ki Khynnah na ke Jylla ki balawan phai na ke Jylla Karnataka. Yakni ki Khynnah alawan IT da ki Ophisar ke District Child Protection Unit jong ke Mandya District Karnataka. Yakni ki jingwan IT layalam da ke District Child Protection Officer ke Rashmi S. Yakni ki jing Pdiang ladan lang the Menteri Katanat Social Welfare uba polling do ke Chairperson jong ke State Commission for Protection of Child Rights ke Agatha ki sangma ke Director jong ke Social Welfare ke Kong CD Lingwa ki Ophisar ki kmi ki kpa bat kiwe. Habakren bat kinong thok khobor uba polling do ule tho ba ke Jylla Meghalaya kala shim kilat kilinti bakin yo igi jaka puli hajan kishnong neha kishnong ki bakishong kisa. Ula benrap da kabaong baka sorkar kan shim ki sinjam bat pet baka puli puthi bat ki jinon kam jong ki kan yai be yai renti. Habakren bat ke District Child Protection Unit jong ke Mandya District Karnataka ke Rashmi S. Kalaong baki Sngewbha baki layo banwan yalam bat IT kini ki Khynnah ke Jylla ke jingshangan bat kalaway jong ki dei ke aka ke baki Sngewbha.
Yeah. Now, this return of the 22 children has been facilitated by the hard work that went on through our director, Hima, and also our officers. Three of them accompanied these children during their stay in Karnataka. They had to make all arrangements to ensure that things are done in a manner which is legally tenable and which is lawful and as per protocol provided by the law. So only after that exercise was completed, then the team from Karnataka, led by the senior leader of the Child and Women's Right Commission, had then agreed to accompany the children and brought them back to Shillong today.
Well, Bapal decided the schools.
We speak, the parents are in touch with two officers who are here representing the Department of Education for a smooth arrangement for their onward studies. Now that they have left their courses midway, the Department of Education has assured us that they need just 2 to 3 days to complete all necessary formalities, and then they will ensure that these kids are then admitted to government-run schools in areas which are in proximity to their address. Now, in some cases, these parents are also migrant workers, which means that they keep shifting from one place to another. In such cases also, we will obtain their correct address and ensure that they are enrolled in a school close by. And as and when they shift, they have to give us prior notice so that we facilitate their next admission in course of their movement from place to place. Enunciated in my speech, these parents, when they decided to send their wards outside to Karnataka, they did that under a particular NGO which is based in Jylla, West Hills district, and the conversation that started was between the leaders of the NGO and the parents. So it had nothing to do with the government. They did not seek any help from the government, any direction, any advice. It was only when the unfortunate incident happened, wherein they had this episode of food poisoning, that we lost 2 of them. And after that only they informed the state government. In any normal situation, our advice is that if, even in case such children require to pursue their studies outside the state, they should seek the proper guidance and help of the government of Meghalaya. And as far as their studies within the state is concerned, we are mandated to ensure admission of all kids from the age of 6 to 14 under the Right to Education Act to 2013. Apa RTE but Department of Education kadon hangi but kersiam ya kibakum kita kijak kena kini pelawan parliamentary skill kat pengidangi kita hangi maki kita pendap iki form kita pendap iki formalities kijik don kamborok nang bagi kena apa alai skill la yo school pertama
Tengok trekan lum ya ijinya lang si yang Department of Health berpik jengkam jadi kena kita lah.
Amdetang ke Social Welfare Department kita ke Home Police Department kita Education Department dengan initiate dia kata kanum dan jingnya bila dia kata penting kena min kuat pendap syua ya kan enrollment jong kena penting kena bikin belum ikut ke kuliah ke joki hari kita ingin session ya review meeting. It is beyond my purview as a minister to label them as pro this group or anti this group. I think we have brilliant journalists in you. Why don't you do a piece of investigative journalism on what actually transpired? What is this NGO?
What will be the step taken by the government to prevent such occurrences of such kind of things again?
See, as I said, the parents here exercised their free will to send their words under the guidance of a particular NGO, and there was no reference to the government. So in such cases we are helpless. But if they come to us seeking our advice on what do you think is this institute, what kind of grading do they have, what kind of background does this institute has, then only we can step in. But where children are really financially disabled, we have schools, ample space for schools, and under the RTE we are bound to ensure their admission into such schools.
Last problem. It's our duty to rescue the children and take care of the children. Still 16/3/2025 our DC sir guidance, our district administrator take care of the children and hand over the CWC to the admission the boys home, and we take care of the children, and we're happy to children hand over to the Meghalaya state, and ma'am program manager Raptop madam is still contact with me still 16/3. She is very care of children, so we update day by day what happened there. We update there, and also we our children. It's our children, so every children is DCPO children, and they are called me Hima. Amma, I happy to Amma duties.
As far as the case is concerned, action where action.
Yeah, it's a process. It's a process. FIR is registered and accused. It's a process.
So that the institute is closed or?
Closed. It's closed, and the education department
taking action.
yeah, the action.
Very much.
No.
No more students.
No students.